Many beginners struggle because they try to draw everything they see at once. Your eyes notice curves, edges, shadows, and small changes in shape all at the same time. Your hand tries to keep up, and that is when drawing starts to feel stressful. The simple idea here is this: before you draw an object, you simplify it in your mind. You turn it into a few basic shapes. Simplifying what you see means you are choosing calm over accuracy. You are deciding what matters right now and letting everything else wait. One helpful way to think about this is that objects are built on simple forms. A mug can be seen as a tall shape. A plate can be seen as a flat shape. A book can be seen as a box shape. Another important part of this idea is that shapes give your hand something solid to follow. When you draw a simple shape, your hand feels more confident because it knows where to go. Details can always come later. For now, they are paused on purpose. A quick note about size and proportion, because beginners worry about this a lot. You do not need to measure anything. You only need one calm anchor. The first and the biggest shape you draw becomes your anchor shape. That shape quietly sets the overall size of the object. After that, every other shape only needs to belong to that first shape. So instead of asking, is this the right size? Or is this correct? You ask one softer question. Does the shape feel like it belongs to the other one? That is how proportion improves without pressure. For example, if you look at the mug and try to draw the curves and thickness right away, it feels hard. But if you first see it as a tall shape with a smaller shape attached, your hand relaxes. When you simplify what you see, you are not making the drawing worse. You are building a clear base. Here is how this flows. First, you choose one simple object, then you break it into basic shapes. Finally, you draw those shapes calmly without adding details. This works because you are no longer trying to draw an object. You are drawing shapes your eyes already understand. Keep this idea with you as we continue. You are training how you see, not how perfect your drawing looks. If drawing feels a little calmer now, that is because you're no longer trying to draw everything at once. You're simplifying what you see. And that's a skill you can keep using. If you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version of this, where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the full class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including beginner drawing and creative basics. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clear or calmer really helps more beginners discover this video. And if you have questions, you're always welcome to ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who might need a calmer start, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.